Hey everyone, Marc here. I was talking to my friends last night telling them that if you own one of these Amazon Echo smart speakers, and it doesn't matter which one, you can enable what's called whisper mode. So if you use these in the bedroom, you have one on maybe your night table to listen to music or podcasts or white noise to go to sleep with, or you wake up with the news and all that. But if you have a question or something that you want to say during the night and you don't want to wake up your partner, not a good idea, you can enable whisper mode on the app. So that's not on the speaker itself, but you do so once on the app under voice responses in the settings. And I'm going to give you an example of what it sounds like. So without whisper mode, you would say something, of course, like, Alexa, what's the weather like in Miami tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Miami, United States, you'll see clouds with a chance of showers.
Alexa, stop.
A high of...
Now in whisper mode, you would say, Alexa, what's the weather like in Miami tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Miami, United States, you'll see clouds with a chance of showers and can expect...
Pretty cool, huh? Hope you like that. Ciao.